adventure part 3. This is water adventure.
Covered in plastic.
So here we are, we're waiting for our lunch. It's a very cool system here. They've got a moneyless system, cashless system basically. So you get a code when you come in and you put some money in your little code account and you get a refund for whatever you don't use. We've had fun in the danger zone this morning and now we're having fun in the swim zone, which is also a danger zone. I don't know if you can see the slides up there, but it is incredible. There are some really cool slides here, and Paul the big kid is really excited. He loves water slides. So for lunch here you can get pretty much anything you want. Hot dogs, chicken nuggets, you can get local stuff as well, which I'm having here. And the good thing about it is
it's cardboard,
there's no plastic here except for these, but these are reusable. These are hard plastic, so they'll reuse these, so we'll give them back and they'll wash them and reuse them.
May I please try
So it's a really ecologically friendly place and we're really impressed by that actually, except for this. You can only get water in bottles, so the water bottle problem. So I have actually made a suggestion that they allow you to refill your flask, or your own water bottles.
Get inside the TARDIS. Right, legs across, arms across. There's an echo chamber in here. Yeah, I'm allowed to get the gear forward going.
I really want to go in it.
Not sure about this. Okay, just give me a minute. So I have to cross. Okay. This slide's called the banana flip. I'm not sure if I want to go on it. But you'll see in a minute what it does. It's fairly nuts. Right, here comes someone. Oh my god. Yeah, okay.
You ready yet?
I think so.
Go, time.
3, 2, 1, go.
To a brilliant day. Escape is one of the best parks I've ever been to. You've got adventure on one side and then you've got adventure with water on the other, and everyone who works here is super friendly. The music's really cool if you like the 80s, which I do, and there's just masses of awesomeness to do here, and it's just the kids were entertained all day. They loved it. And it only cost for our whole family £100. And that might seem like a lot, but compare it to a theme park anywhere else, like Australia or England,
Mum, and remind them
and you'd pay about £90 for one person.
Mum,
So for us, this has been one of the best days. We really had fun today. The end of the very coolest day, which was good because we were having a really stressful week, because we feel that the agency that was working on our website has let us down massively, so we were just really stressed about that. It's pushed the project back loads, and it's going to take a lot of our time and energy to fix up the problems that we feel they've left us in, so yeah, we're just that day was exactly what we needed and was super fun.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked our video. And don't forget to click on like below. Subscribe to the TaawkTV channel today. Bye.